everyone, welcome back to Chao. Today is a beautiful day even though it is the rainy season. So because it's a beautiful day, I would like to share with you some beautiful recipes for Thai pinky milk. Many of you that have already tried these drinks have asked me, how do you make Thai pinky milk? And so here it goes. I'm going to show you 3 different recipes. One is for a 16-ounce cup, a 22-ounce cup, and a ready-to-drink bottle. For those that are wanting to sell this and earn from home, you can bottle this delightful Thai pinky milk. Now let's look at the ingredients. The star of the show, of course, is the Thai Sala, which is a red drink. It's called Nam Dang in Thailand, which means red water. It turns into a delightful pink color when it's mixed with milk. It is derived from snake fruit or a sala fruit, which is available in Thailand, and turned into this very distinct flavor. And we are going to use condensed milk and fresh milk. To add to all these ingredients, I am going to put some grass jelly, fresh grass jelly, as our sinkers for this drink, and especially for our bottle drink. We are also going to top it up with milk foam. So we are going to make our milk foam a bit later. Let's start by making our drinks. Now, I have here a pump which is 10 ml. For 16-ounce cup, I need 20 ml of the Thai Sala. So I'm going to mix it right into my glass. So 1, 2, the 20 ml of Thai Sala, 15 ml of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, I'm not mixing this with the normal evaporated milk because we are going to add a lot of fresh milk into this. Just give it a good stir. Okay, and then now let's go to our 22-ounce cup. For the 22-ounce cup, I need 30 ml of my Thai Sala. So I'm going to put 3 pumps. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm also going to put 15 ml of my sweetened condensed milk. You can adjust this recipe depending on how sweet or how less sweet you want it to be. So you can reduce the sweetened condensed milk, but keep the proportion of the Thai Sala because this is the one that gives it flavor. I am going to make the bottle drink as well. So I'm going to put first a little bit of the grass jelly sinkers, especially for this bottle drinks. Now, if you want to put tapioca pearls in your bottle drinks, I wouldn't advise you to do so. For the bottle drinks, you don't really want it to be too sweet because this one is ready to drink. You don't need to put ice into the bottle. So all I need is 15 ml of my Thai Sala, so 1.5 pumps, so 1.5. That's 15 ml of my Thai Sala, and then also 15 ml of sweetened condensed milk. And then I'm just going to bring it up a little bit just so that you have pink at the very bottom and you have white or milk on top. Okay, there you go. And then we are going to put the rest of our ice in. Let's put milk. For the 16 ounce, we need 150 ml of fresh milk. And for the 22 ounces, we need 180 ml of fresh milk. It is a milky drink. For the bottled drinks, we need 240 ml or 8 ounces of fresh milk. because we use 300 ml bottle. So there you go. And give it a stare. Beautiful pinky color. Okay, make sure it is well combined before you bottle it. And then I have already put some grass jelly into my bottle here, and so I am going to pour this into the bottle. There you go. So, pinky milk ready to drink. Thai pinky milk ready to drink, and our Thai pinky milk latte. So I am going to now put my milk foam just to top up the drink. Yeah. There you go. And because they are so pretty, I am going to make it prettier by adding some orchid. Why not? This is Thailand. So there you go. Add some orchid there, and you have a lovely Thai pinky milk. Did you know that you can actually eat orchids? Some people do. Well, there you go, 3 deliciously looking Thai pinky milk drinks. Now, if you think this is pretty, wait until we mix it and you'll see the magic. I'll just take out the orchid for a while. Okay, there you go. And now, as we stir it in, you get a delightful looking pinky milk. Wow, that looks so good. Okay, there you go. I'm going to put the orchid back in, and I'm going to do the same here. Just stir it up and get that delightfully looking pink milk with a creamy top. Give it a try. Perfect. Everything you need in a milk treat. Thai pinky milk. Well, next time you crave for these drinks, you can now do it at home. All you need is to get hold of the Thai Sala, and you can make it for yourself, for your friends, your family, or for your milk tea and coffee shops. Just before I close today's video tutorial, I would like to apologize for those that have asked their questions and I haven't responded to them. I do get a lot of questions, not only on YouTube, I also get questions on Messenger, and so please bear with me. If I haven't responded to your questions yet, maybe because some of the questions that were asked already have been asked in the same conversation. So please do read the conversation as well. So that's all I have today. I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial with these 3 beautiful drinks that I shared with you today. And I'll see you again with more recipes in my future video tutorials. In the meantime, as always, stay safe. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.